Okay, thank you very much for waiting. Sorry about that. Had quite a bit of activity, which I love. This is the garage access here. I just wanted to wrap this up before the open house is over. Sorry about that. Okay, so it's standard 2-car garage, 1971 classic. Just needs to be cleaned out a little bit, shined up, no problem. And this door is probably about 200 degrees. Woo! Okay. We have a diving pool. This is the area here, RV gate. Little back gate there, you can see it by the little shed. That's exterior out to the alleyway. So here they have plans to put a casita. They're full 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a 1-car garage. It's approved. You don't have to build it. You can have this whole space for whatever you want. But it's already approved. If you wanted to have a secondary house, you could do that. Here's the diving board deck. Needs to be swept out a little bit. It's been windy. So there's roller shades on all the windows to shield from the sun in the afternoon, which you can see is coming in hot. We've got some sitting areas. We've got 3 different access points into the house or out of the house, depending on which way you're situated. Got a great conversation area here to hang out, watch television. These trees are just huge. I'm not sure what kind they are. I call them the Lord of the Rings trees. I mean, look at this. This is huge. Conversation pit area. Natural grass. This leads in and out of the primary suite there. And then back here, you can do whatever you want. Just have a nice garden area, put in some citrus trees, something like that. I believe there's irrigation already, so that would be nice. Solar lights in the landscaping. Just wanted to catch the size of these trees. Look at that, wow. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to be getting back into the house. I'll take you through the house one more time as far as from the backyard here, the pool area into the kitchen, and then we'll wrap up the video because we'll be at about 4 minutes, and I think that's about enough. The camera can't catch it, but just out to the back here, you do have mountain views. They're slim, but they're here. And this neighborhood's really quiet at nighttime, and it's close to everything. It's basically 64th Street and Thunderbird. It's real close to Paradise Valley. It's in Scottsdale. It's extremely close to the city of Phoenix. Anything you need to do, like I said, it's here. Dentist, bank, Walgreens, shopping, good grocery stores, super expensive ones like Whole Foods, and then there's Fry's and things like that. And just a mile or 2 away from Cactus and Tatum, which would host the brand new Paradise Valley reimagined shopping plaza, which is kind of like a Kierland in Scottsdale, but I believe it's just a better, for me, in my opinion, it's a better layout and has just as nice restaurants, if not better, and an incredible Whole Foods store that I just love shopping at. Everything is just awesome there. So check out the Paradise Valley Reimagined Mall Center. You can Google that, and it'll tell you all the stores that are going in and all the shopping and so forth. It's wonderful. Very healthy choices too. So fits right in with the indoor-outdoor active lifestyle of Phoenix, Arizona. 365 days a year for the most part, especially if you love the heat, then it's definitely year-round. Thank you very much for watching. This is Kurt with Russ Lyon Sotheby's Camelback Tower, and I'm so looking forward to helping you and your family whenever you need. I'm at 480-203-3704, and my website is kurtmboyd.com. You can just Google me. I am easily found on all social media platforms and everywhere else online. So thank you. Have a great day, and wishing you all the best.